Okay, this is your update Monday, June 30th. We're going to discuss the holiday weekend forecast, July 4th through the 6th, and we're going to talk about a little bit of thunderstorm activity that's going to come through tonight before we get into the holiday forecast. And we have a couple of thunderstorms moving through this afternoon. That's around 4 o'clock, and they're kind of slow moving thunderstorms, so that could put a downpour on there. But as you get through the evening hours, this takes you to around 6 o'clock. I'd watch this line that's out here because it will crisscross the area and head towards the east. This takes you to around 8 o'clock. Here's 9 o'clock tonight. There's 10 o'clock. It's going through Wilmington, Philadelphia, Trenton through there. A little further out, we'll take it to around midnight. It's beginning to die out as it moves off to the east. A couple of straight storms move through late tonight through central New Jersey and southern New Jersey, and then it's off the coast. Okay, so now we're back to July 4th. If you're getting up early in the morning, this is around 6 o'clock in the morning. Up to the north here, towards the Poconos and northern New Jersey, temperatures could be in the 50s, upper 50s, but elsewhere lower 60s. General around the city area, it could be in the mid 60s, towards New York City again, mid 60s. As we move during the day, you can see it warms up. Everybody's in the 80s. There could even be a 90 out there somewhere, but I would think it'll top off at the most 90. Mostly everybody's in the mid to upper 80s that day. If you're wondering about precipitation on 4th of July to ruin your plans, there's nothing on that day to ruin your plans, especially if you want to head to the beach. Could be fun. Not too bad around the shore here. As you can see, temperatures will get into the lower 60s right along the coastline. Another hot one, a few more degrees warmer. Most of New Jersey now is in the 90s, right along the coast. If you're going swimming, low 80s. Delaware, mostly upper 80s to around 90. The further north and west you go, temperatures are in the middle to upper 80s, so quite a warm day. Again, the only problem that could arise, and it shouldn't be a big deal, you have to really search it out. There could be a pop-up shower up here in the Poconos on Friday or Saturday the 5th. And then Sunday, even warmer. Temperatures are now in the mid to upper 90s in a lot of areas. Near New York City, they can get close to 100 again. In Allentown, Reading, Lancaster, that way, temperatures get around 90. Along the shore, you're in the lower 80s, right along the waterfront, a little bit inland, and you're in the 90s. Down in Delaware, same thing, probably right around the coastline. Temperatures are in the 80s, and then it gets warmer just as you move inland a little bit. The real field temperature, if you're hitting the beach on Monday, is quite warm. You can see upper 90s to hundreds is the real field temperature on Monday the 6th. So, or Sunday the 6th. I keep saying Monday, it's Sunday the 6th. And if you're wondering about precipitation on the 6th, nothing. Okay, so hopefully everybody has a good holiday, and I will update this thing on Wednesday to see if there's any change with the holiday forecast.